Right, hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to change the SIM pin code in the AWSOM unit. The AWSOM unit is controlled by the Arduino computer, and this is one of the computers. These are fantastic little computers. They do tremendous amounts of work and can take a huge amounts of abuse. Wonderful. Anyway, to change the software we just have to do two things. First of all, set it all up, and secondly, change the code. Can't be simpler, can it? Well, not quite true. Setting it up is actually 4 steps, and changing the code is 8 steps. So 12 steps altogether in reality, but they're short, they're small, and we can take it. Right, let's go through them one by one. So first we'll do the setup. As I said, just 4 steps. Yes, 4 steps. First of all, we have to Google download Arduino ID software for Windows 10. Okay, let's go over to Google. Now obviously search for this before, so there we go, and it comes up with this Arduino software IDE, which is perfect, and it's all free, by the way. It's even better. So we click on that and we come to the Arduino page. This is the official Arduino site because it says Arduino in the top corner there, and this is a wonderful little device, as I said before. Right, now we come on to download the IDE and we go into Windows Installer for Windows 7 and up. Okay, so it's that one. Once you click on there, you will be asked to install things. There we go. It will ask you to pay if you want to, but I would suggest you just download. As I've already downloaded it, I don't need that. But once it's downloaded, you will be able to open it up. But let's follow the instructions. So we've Googled it, fine. Downloaded it, yes. We've then installed it and opened the app. Right, let's go and open the app. Now the app will either be on the bottom of that little funny blue circle there, or you will go into your Windows and look for Arduino. There we go, Arduino IDE. Let's go into that bottom one, and it will open up a new piece of software. So it's asking you to set up all your code. Now there's 1,000 lines here, but I've written them for you. So all you've got to do is let's follow the instructions. Open the AWSOM unit 3888 by clicking on File, Open, and then finding the AWSOM sketch. Right, let's find File, Open, and you've got to navigate to where you've saved the folder. That's the sketch. You can see there's quite a few of them. That's the sketch that I will email you, or you'll find it on the well monitoring service.co.uk website in the design pages. But anyway, that's what you want. So double click on that and it'll come up with there, and double click on that and we will see it come up on here shortly. There we go. Expand that whole thing and there you will see, I'll scroll down quickly, there's about 1,000 lines of code there. Please be very careful, don't accidentally delete anything or add anything, even a little, that semicolon, change it to a colon or a comma or a full stop and it wrecks the whole thing. Although these computers are smart, they're not that smart. Right, the next thing we want to do is, we've identified that from an email or on the web page, then we've got to turn on the line numbers. These line numbers are down here and are very useful. And we do that, I'm sorry about this going left and right, but anyway, they are on File, preferences, display line numbers. File, preferences, display line numbers. So we go up to here, we go on File, Preferences, and display numbers, and then OK. And then it will show you all the line numbers. Now really, once you've done that, that is it. That is the setup complete. So you've done step 1. Congratulations.